Hello! Welcome to the 7th in our 8-part series on popular functions in Excel. Previously, we've covered the if, sum, countif, VLOOKUP, COUNTIF, SUMIF, and LOOKUP functions. Today, though, we're going to take a look at concatenate. Now, before we dive in, I should mention that if you're using the most recent version of Excel, you might want to switch to the concat function instead of concatenate. Microsoft has switched to the new form, and the old one may disappear in the future iterations. If you're using a version prior to 2016, though, you'll still want to use the full concatenate term. So what exactly is concatenation? Essentially, it means you take the contents from multiple cells and combine those contents into new cells. Now, this is really useful when you have information in column form throughout a spreadsheet, but you might want to combine two or more pieces of information from those columns into a single string in another cell. So to get started with concatenate, type equals concatenate and open your parentheses. From there, it's very easy to combine values. Just select the first cell that you want to include in your string, separate it with a comma, and then select the second value. Here's a tip though. If you execute the command like this, it will just string all the data right together. If you want to display it in a more readable form, you should separate the two terms in your parentheses with an empty set of quotation marks. This will insert a space in between the two terms that you pull into the concatenate term. When you hit enter, there you go, you'll get your returned value. Now this doesn't have to be only limited to two terms, or to values that are already in other cells. Say that I want to pull some values from various cells and then give it a label, attention, in order to let my coworkers know that action is needed on this particular item. I can include attention as an item in the concatenate function by including it as its own term after the cell values that I'm pulling in. There are lots of other applications of concatenate, but this should give you the basics that you need to start making use of the function. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.